The workshop is based on ongoing engagements between the United Nations Conference on Trade and Development, UNTAD, and the Government of Guyana, and is being financed by the Commonwealth Heads of Government meeting. Early on Monday, as he opened the workshop, UNTAD Representative Bismarck Sitoris said through this initiative, Ghana will soon reach its intended marker to modernize its customs administration and promote trade facilitation.
From those courses, you develop your skill and also your competency that also will benefit the committee. These two events are basically the basis of organizing this third event. From the first module, the first event, we have now the draft of Guyana's roadmap.
Guyana's roadmap will include ratification and notification requirements. These are meant to simplify, modernize, and harmonize the export and import processes. According to Mr. Sitoris, the workshop, since its inception, ensured the input of all agencies, as the final document will eventually become the guideline they must all follow.
You will have the opportunity to improve and validate in the first 2 days of the workshop this week. I promise you, this is going to be a very challenging exercise. Don't be discouraged because the document itself is your document.
Guyana is highly dependent on trade. Both external and internal trade combined contribute significantly to the country's GDP. Felicia Valenzuela, InfoHub.